wanna come out here? YouTube. We back at it again with another vid, another shoe review, man. Look at the box, look at the box. Look at the box, look at the box. Alright. We got the Adidas / Dragon Ball Z collab. We got the Friezas. Look at the box, man. Look at the box. W box, by the way. I ain't gonna lie. W box. The Adidas Young Ones. Ooh, look at the lighting. I ain't gonna lie. The shoe and the lighting look pretty good. I ain't gonna lie. Let's take the shoes off the box real quick. Both shoes. Another shoe. Both shoes. Another low top Adidas. Look at the back of the shoe. This is what was inside. A little paper. I ain't gonna lie, the paper, I ain't gonna lie, it's tough. It's tough for a shoe collab. Yeah, man. The Adidas Young Ones, Frieza. I really didn't know which collab to get. I was like, should I get these? Cause they got another one. They had like some yeah, they had like some. Let me see if I can find a picture of them real quick. I really wanted the Goku ones, but those were sold out on my size, so I had to get these real quick. Look at the entire collection. Okay, we got the NMDs. We got those for Shamars, those for Majin Boos. I'm looking at all the Dragon Ball Z shoes from the collab. These ones in the Son Goku's, the ZX 500s. These are the only two good pairs of shoes from that collab. I ain't gonna hold. But yeah, another low top shoe. It got 3M on it as well. I like the color. I like the purple with the gray, with the little small hints of gray and the pink. The bottom of the shoe. They got good traction. I ain't gonna hold you. I didn't do it. I just walked around in it for like a little bit, but I'm gonna put them on. I'm gonna do it on feet later in the video. These are size 9. I got my Adidas. I got my Yeezys in a 9.5. So these are a little tight, so I recommend going a size up, like a half size up or a full size in these. But overall, I like the colors. The shoe is different because I remember, me personally, like I said, I mean, I have some Adidas, but like, they're more basketball shoes. I just need some more lifestyle. Like, hold on, I didn't even show you the insole, bro. Like, if I can get it out. Let me see. You probably can't do it. But yeah, it says like it's like Dragon Ball Z with the Dragon Balls inside the insole. So yeah. How much I pay for these? Like I think like I ain't gonna lie, these are going like Frieza ones. I got these off Goat. Dang, he's going for like, dang, people selling these for like almost 300. What the hell? The price range, I think I paid like, hold on, I'm on StockX right now. Let me, yeah, like 170. 170 for these, so these not bad. I say medium. I mean, they're not under $100, but they're a little up there. Under retail, because retail usually be like $220. I ain't gonna hold you for some shoes, $225. I ain't gonna lie, price is going up like a mug, but overall, it's a nice shoe. I like the shoe, I like the colors. It's comfortable. Not comfortable as the Yeezys, but yeah, overall, it's like I said, you can wear jeans with these, shorts, sweatpants. It's a low top shoe, so you can just rock out. You can do whatever you want with these. I'm not gonna hold you. I don't even know what else to say about the shoe. That's suede as a material and leather too. So it's leather and suede. Regular white laces. Now if they had multiple laces with these, it's like one purple, then I'll put one on white purple. It's like but yeah, overall, it's a good shoe. It's about I give it an 8.5 out of 10. Look at this shoe. It's eye popping, so of course you're gonna get attention. So I get that by like an 8. Wear and tear. I haven't really worn these that much to see the wear and tear of them. Cleaning. Just get like some rejuvenator or something. Soap and water. But it's suede, so you probably need like some the suede stuff to like that you wear for like you put on the Timbs and stuff like that. You know what I'm talking about, But hey, it's based on, it's a collab on anime, so that's another plus. I like how more shoe companies are making more collabs. Cause that's what they need to do. And Jordan brand, I don't know what the hell they're doing, or like, I mean, they're releasing some good shoes, but like, overall, the last pair of Jordans I bought were the 12s, and that was it. I was like me personally, bro, I got like I got a handful of Jordans, so that's why I said I just had to branch out. Had to go with Adidas real quick. See what they had as offer. We're gonna do the on-foot review right now. Just the on-foot review. As you can tell, I got on sweatpants. But you can wear jeans. Hold on. Me personally, I would put the sweatpants. I would do the tongue over. But like, these like a narrow type of shoe. Like, I just low-key factory lace these. There's one. I put them on a second one. I'm gonna try and loose lace them. See how they look loose lace real quick. Get it right now. Okay, this one. Okay, so I have one. Okay, I got that. I'm gonna try and loose lace them. See how they look loose lace real quick. Wish I had some more goddamn. Wish I had some purple laces. I wish I had some purple laces with these, but man, I can probably find some. Like, overall, this is like a tight, narrow shoe. Like, I mean, but it's not bad. I'm gonna just try and like loose lace them real quick, like this. You know what I'm saying? Give me a little more breathing room in the shoe. Cause like I said, these are a size 9, a little tight, but it ain't too bad. It ain't too bad if it ain't too tight like some other damn shoes. I'm gonna just try and loose lace them real quick, see how they look loose lace. This is a loose lace, factory loose lace. Me personally, I like the factory lace better. It look more organized. Hold on, let me. All right, so factory and. I tried loose lacing them. So let me know in the comments which ones you like better. The factory lace or the loose lace. So I'm about to get different angle real quick. Different angles. But yeah. Those are the Adidas Young Ones. Frieza. If y'all want more shoe reviews, let me know. I'll drop more. But me personally, like I said, these like top 20 out of all my shoes. I got top 20. They're not ugly. They're not shit. I don't ever buy ugly shoes, but I mean, hey, but they're different. You don't see nobody wearing these. Especially, you see people wearing what Yeezys and shit like that. But yeah, the Adidas Young Ones. Put them back in the box real quick. You know what I'm saying? I got the Dragon Ball Z box. give you this extra Dragon Ball Z in the front. Alright, so that was the 2 shoe reviews I did. I just dropped the Yeezy. I just did recorded the Yeezy video. So I'm about to edit them real quick. Post them. But yeah, get the video to like 20 likes, 20 views. In the meantime, I still gotta draw on those white shoes, so I gotta do that too. Gotta play more games. Go on the community poll, see what games you want me to play. Scary games, action games, storytelling games, like Telltale and stuff. Once I get done with the Life is Strange 2, I'm probably gonna play the Walking Dead Michonne, and then I'm gonna play The Wolf Among Us. After that, I'm gonna play the Life is Strange 1 DLC. Then I'm gonna play Life is Strange 3. So I'll be all the story games. I still got Batman too, but I'll do that. I'll do that in due time. Let me just. All right. I'm out. Peace.